To use the Pro Mode settings for camera in Google Pixel 10 Pro, first let's open a camera app on our device. Next step is to enter photo mode. Then we can find most of the settings in the gear icon right here. You can go to the Pro settings and change resolution for your photos, change the format from JPEG only to RAW and JPEG, and also you can pick your lens manually or set it to auto. Next, options can be found if you click on those three lines in the bottom right corner of the screen, and here's plenty of them. So first thing is shadows. So this will change how the shadows will contrast on your photos, so you can choose the options depending on the image that you're about to take, depending on light, shadows and everything. Then there's the exposure, which makes your photos darker if you move to the left, and brighter if you decide to move to the right. Then there's the white balance. You can adjust the balance of your colors more to the left to enable bluish colors, or more to the right to get more orangey colors. You can keep it in middle for the optimal settings. Focus lets you adjust your focus manually or automatically. If you move all the way to the left, then your focus should be active automatically. Shutter speed allows you to change how long your shutter will remain open when you take a photo, and less you go, then the darker photos will be. More you go to the right, the photos will be brighter, but keep in mind that your shutter will remain open for this exact time that you can see right here, and during that time you shouldn't move your phone or any object that you want to photograph, otherwise everything will be blurry. ISO allows you to adjust the brightness of your photos, so more you go to the left, the darker they will be, and more you go to the right, the brighter they will be. So that is basically everything here. Next thing that we've enabled in the gear settings right here with the Pro Mode and lens selection in manual, we can go for ultra wide lens, or T lens. I forgot the T. It's basically, I think, the night vision, so you can see something when it's very dark. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.